美国的码头工人大约有45000人，10月初要开始罢工哦，大家是拢错在等。业者是表示讲，罢工一工哦，要4到6天才有法度恢复，对供应链的影响是真大。经济学家嘛警告讲，罢工一日损失超过50亿美金。也毋过，美国总统拜登是表示讲，未来影响这场罢工。
巴尔的摩港的车出入日，美国东华加墨西哥湾沿岸，全美国上无营的主要港口，10月初也将会进行大罢工。这种是码头工人协会自1977年以来第一遍东华大罢工，会影响差不多美国一半以上的海运港口。
And then also workers faced substantial inflation during the pandemic that wasn't fully compensated by the terms of their collective bargaining agreements, and they feel that it's time for payback. Many of those longshore workers had to work during the pandemic. They couldn't carry out their work on the internet like many of us could, and they feel like they deserve payback.
国际码头工人协会代表缅因州到德州30几座码头，差不多45000位码头工人，因要求资方伫咧新的一份6年合约内面加薪77%，也就是每点真久的薪水，每年拢要调6块美金，一点钟自39块美金慢慢调到69块美金，来弥补最近因为通膨的影响。而且为了要顾到会员的工课，也个要求彻底禁止起重机、闸门，也个会员搬运这挂用伫咧装落货物的自动化。因为目前并无计划要伫咧9月30半暝上尾期限进行谈判，所以罢工一定会发动。
So I think we may have a strike. My guess it'll be a strike that'll go on for somewhere between 2 to 6 weeks, but I wouldn't expect a strike longer than that. They'll be under intense pressure to settle.
航运业者讲，若罢工一天，供应链大概需要4天到6天才能完全处理所累积的货运量。若是拖一礼拜，甚至到中国11长假结束，影响会真大，进一步影响物流链也个脱岗的情形。经济学家警告讲，每罢工一天的经济损失要到50亿美金。不过因为离美国总统大选只敢若剩1个月多，所以美国总统拜登讲未介入。
Mr. President, would you intervene in the dock workers' strike if they go on strike on Tuesday?
No.
Why not?
Because it's collective bargaining. I don't believe in Taft-Hartley.
拜登所讲的劳资关系法是讲，若劳动纠纷威胁到国家安全，总统会当要求劳资双方建立80天的冷静期。也就是强迫劳工在谈判期间就要回去工作。公司新闻张伟林编写。